And here we are today. Thank you for joining me. Now, I'm going to use a little bit of Chinese white. Now, this is just fine like it is, but I'm just showing you if you wanted to use some white, okay, which is perfectly okay to use no matter what anybody says, okay? I've got some white on my brush, and all I'm doing is just applying it just here and there, just like this, see? Just like that. Okay, and what it's doing is it's giving kind of a misty appearance. And I'm just here and there, not all over the place, not going crazy with it, okay? We don't want to go crazy with the white. Put it in here just a little bit, like that, okay? And we can put a little around here because the water is kind of being disrupted as it's being taken up into the wave, just like that, okay? There we go. Not a whole lot, just a little bit here and there, okay? That's all we really need to do with the white. Now, we're just gonna come down here to the run-up area for the wave, and we'll just put a little bit of green blue. Now I'm just going to water it down like that. Just water it down a little bit. And we are really about ready to call this wave done. And you've seen that it wasn't that horribly hard of a process. You can do it. I know you can do it. Follow the directions. You'll be just fine, okay? So, be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link, hit the bell, then hit the little bell again so you get all the notifications. And we'll see you tomorrow. And remember that I love you, I love you, I love you.